Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fully loaded sheet pan beef nachos. These sheet pan nachos are loaded with ground beef, black beans, sweet corns, Nacho Cheese Sauce and shredded cheese. These are the best nachos and are so simple to make in your sheet pan. Heat a large skillet, and when it's hot you can add the ground beef and break the meat as it cooks. Cook until no pink remains. You can drain any excess grease from the skillet and return it to the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and give it a mix. Onion 1 chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped and give it a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, salt to your taste, and pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Mix it well until everything incorporated. Add half cup of water and mix everything together and let it cook for like 5 minutes. Cover and cook, and you have to make sure stirring frequently until all of the meat is brown. Our taco filling is ready. You can turn off the heat and keep it aside. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, and you can arrange the tortilla chips in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Now you can spread the taco meat on top of the tortilla. I'm using the nacho cheese. You can warm it and then you can drizzle the nacho cheese over the mix. I'm using black beans. It's rinsed and drained. You can spread it on top of the mix. Top it with sweet corns. I'm using the taco style shredded cheese. Now you can finally top it with the shredded cheese on top. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Once it's ready, you can remove from the oven. You can garnish with diced tomatoes, green onion and chopped cilantro, pickled or fresh jalapenos and dollops of sour cream. Sheet pan nachos are ready to serve now. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.